Hi everyone. In this video, we'll uncover the risks of eating stale food, including bacterial growth and nutrient loss. You'll also learn smart tips to keep your meals fresh and safe, when it's okay to eat leftovers, and why fresh food is the healthier choice. Stay tuned to make smarter food decisions. Stale food can grow harmful bacteria, even if it looks okay. Bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli can cause food poisoning with symptoms like stomach pain, fever, and nausea. The risk is high even if food is in the fridge, especially after 2 days. Be careful with leftovers that are more than a day or two old. Let's move to another risk of stale food, nutrient loss. Stale food loses important nutrients, like vitamins and minerals. This means that when you eat stale food, you may get less health value from your meal. Food left out for a long time loses nutrients faster, making it like eating empty calories. Fresh food gives you more energy and health benefits. Next, let's look at the problem of mold growth. Mold can grow on stale food, even if you don't see it right away. Some molds create toxins that are harmful to health. Eating moldy food can cause stomach issues or trigger allergies. Bread, fruits, and dairy are common foods for mold. Always check your food carefully before eating. Another thing to consider is the change in taste and smell. Stale food often has a strange taste or smell. This happens because of chemical changes in the food, which can make it unsafe. Eating food with off flavors or smells can lead to digestive problems. Fresh food always tastes better and is safer. If food smells or tastes off, it's better to avoid it. Lastly, let's discuss foodborne illness from stale food. Stale food can carry harmful bacteria that cause foodborne illness. Common symptoms include nausea, vomiting, and stomach pain. Old rice, dairy, and meat have a higher risk for bacteria. Always check how long leftovers have been kept before eating. Foodborne illness is a serious risk with old food. Now that we know the risks, let's go over how to store and reheat food safely. Store leftovers in airtight containers to keep them fresh. Airtight containers prevent bacteria growth and help food last longer. They also keep food odors from spreading in the fridge. Let's move on to the next tip, refrigerating food quickly. Always refrigerate food within 2 hours of cooking. This slows down bacteria growth and keeps food safe for longer. Cooked food should be stored at or below 4 degrees Celsius, or 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The next tip is to label and date your leftovers. Label containers with the date they were made to track freshness. This helps you know when food is still safe to eat. Throw out leftovers after 2 days to avoid risks. Now let's talk about reheating food properly. Reheat food thoroughly to kill bacteria. Use a microwave or stove until it's steaming hot throughout, stirring for even heat. Remember, only reheat food once. Proper reheating keeps your meals safe and enjoyable. Let us now see how to freeze food for longer storage. Freeze food if you won't eat it within 2 days to stop bacteria growth. Label it with the date for freshness. Freezing keeps food safe for weeks. Now let us dive into one of the most important points. Leave space in the fridge for air to circulate. Overcrowding raises the temperature, so keep it organized to ensure food stays evenly cold and fresh. Lastly, let us look at the signs for spoilage. Check for changes in color, texture, or smell, and throw away anything that seems off. Mold, unusual colors, or sliminess mean the food isn't safe. Trust your senses, never eat spoiled food. Wondering when it's safe to eat leftovers? Here's the lowdown. Ideally, enjoy leftovers within 1 to 2 days after cooking. Why? Well, after 2 days, bacteria can begin to grow, even if the food still looks fine. So, to play it safe, try to limit leftovers and aim for freshly cooked meals whenever possible. Fresh food not only tastes better but keeps you healthier and helps reduce the risks of foodborne illness. Remember, choosing fresh meals isn't just a choice, it's an investment in your well-being. Let's recap the key points from today's video on safely enjoying leftovers. First, remember that stale food can carry bacteria, mold, and may have fewer nutrients. So, To stay safe, aim to eat leftovers within 1 to 2 days after cooking. Label and date your leftovers to easily keep track of freshness. And don't forget to heat your food evenly to ensure any bacteria are killed before you dig in. Finally, make safe storage a regular habit. It's a simple step for better health. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you for watching. Safe storage and reheating can protect your health. Remember, fresh food is always best, but if you do eat leftovers, try to finish them within 1 to 2 days. Comment if you have any other food storage tips, and stay tuned for more simple health tips.